Hi peaches, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I am Joanna. Today I am going to show you how you can make your own potent chemical-free carrot oil with a hint of lemon. We will need carrots. I go for organic carrots. Lemon, we are going to use the peel and any oil of your choice. I am going for the organic virgin coconut oil and grape seed oil. We would also need essential oils, but I will show those oils to you later on in this video. In terms of how I prepare the ingredients for the oil, I cut both ends of the carrots, take off the outer skin, wash the carrot and the lemon together, and then grate them. Carrots are very beneficial to the skin because it has vitamin C, which has got healing properties. Carrots are also good source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K, potassium, and a whole lot. There is a lot of research on carrots to the skin. I'm now going to grate the peel of the lemon, not just the zest. There is a difference between the zest and the peel. The zest is basically the colored or the yellowish outer layer of the lemon, whilst the peel is both the zest and the bitter white underlayer. So the peel is basically the whole skin of the lemon. Well, research has it that lemon peel contains as much as 5 to 10 times more vitamins than the actual lemon juice. Can you believe this? And these vitamins help in preventing and fighting skin problems such as wrinkles, acne, hyperpigmentation, and dark spots. Lemon peels are also rich in antioxidants, which also tends to detoxify the skin. I now transfer all the ingredients into this jar, which has already been sterilized. Sterilization is very important because it kills any contaminated bacteria harboring in this jar. Then I fill the jar up with the oils to start the infusion process. Infusion is the process of extracting chemical compounds or flavors from plant materials in a solvent such as water, oil, or alcohol. And now close the jar, shake it and allow it to sit overnight. After you've given it a good shake, you would notice immediately that the color of the oil has changed. So please do not put this oil on fire as it destroys the minerals, vitamins, and all the goodness you are trying to extract. The oil, however, needs the right amount of heat to help extract as much vitamins as possible. So I set the jar in hot water. To demonstrate that you don't need to cook this oil on the stove, I'm showing you how I brew this tea with even cold water. So please, always use this hot water method to infuse and preserve the nutrients in all of your organic skincare formulation. Our organic chemical-free oil is now ready. I'm going to strain the oil from the carrot and lemon peel. In all, I left the oil to infuse for 2 days. See how rich this oil looks. It is also easily absorbed by the skin and smells divine too. I'm not going to throw away the carrot and the lemon peel. I will show you how you can use them to make your own face mask or scrub. So please don't go anywhere. Sometimes you find that water is trapped in the oil. So to eliminate the water, allow the mixture to sit for a while. The water component will automatically settle at the bottom of the oil. So you can either strain carefully to avoid the water or freeze the oil and scrape the water component off. This is how much water I was able to get rid of from the oil. We now have to add our essential oils. These are optional, but I believe the essential oils help with the shelf life or longevity of the oil. I am using lavender and frankincense. I understand that frankincense essential oil is easily absorbed by the skin. It helps fight certain cancers, reduce arthritis, and many more. Use this carrot oil daily for youthful and glowy skin. You can add the oil to your favorite cream or apply it after you've creamed your skin. If you have dry skin, apply the oil to your skin immediately after shower whilst you are still wet and pat dry later. You can also massage this oil to your scalp to promote healthy hair growth. So this miracle oil, as I call it, can be used on your skin and hair. There you have it, miracle oil made in the comfort of your own home in few simple steps. Oh, thank you very much. Now let's head over to make our facial scrub and mask. Put the lemon peel and carrot residue in a blender. Add 2 tablespoonfuls of yogurt. Yogurt has a lot of benefit to the skin. All types of yogurt contains lactic acid, which is an organic component that aids in diminishing the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines. It also helps in delay the signs of aging, add moisture to the skin, and many more. Add your own favorite essential oils to the mixture. I used lemon essential oil and blended everything together. If you want to buy any of the products used in this video, I will include the links to all the products in the description box below. Please be sure to check them out. Your 2-in-1 mixture is now ready. You can go ahead to use this mixture as a scrub or as a mask. To use this mixture as a mask, please apply reasonable amounts to your face. Leave it on your skin for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and follow your own skincare regimen. Or, to use it as a scrub, gently massage the mixture to your skin in a circular motion and rinse it off with lukewarm water, and again follow your own skincare regimen afterwards. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like such DIY content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, activate the notification button, share with your friends and loved ones, And I will see you in my next video. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye.